Good morning, colleagues. Welcome back to Friday 5 in 5. My first tip today I've spoken about before, but when I go and visit colleagues and students, I never really see them using the clipboard, and it's probably saves me a massive amount of time every single day. I use it many times in the day. So go ahead now and press Windows V on your keyboard and switch on the clipboard and start to use the clipboard. It remembers all of the things that you've copied and pasted in the past, and you can use it to go back to. So Windows V, here it is, and you can see these are things that I've been copying and pasting in my sort of like, my travels around the internet. One of the things there is my calendar look. So I don't know, let's go into an email and somebody's trying to make an appointment with me. So if I go to here and then Windows V, and there's my calendar pasted in as an image because I copied it earlier on. So use Windows V, switch it on, and use it on a regular basis. Get into the habit of using it. It's very powerful. My second tip is about adding documents to OneNote. For those people that are using OneNote a lot, let me just add a couple of tables or a couple of rows in this table so that we can see what it looks like. When you go to the Staff Center Cloud to OneDrive, in OneDrive, you can find stuff in your OneDrive. Let's say I want to find a Word document. So I click on Word and it gives me a list of all of the Word documents that I've been looking at lately. So let's have a look at this Word document here. If I go to the URL of that Word document and copy it, and then go into OneNote and then paste it in, so Control V, what I need to do, well, I don't need to do anything. Look, that Word document is a live Word document embedded in the OneNote page. That works for Excel documents as well as PowerPoints. So you can see I'm getting all of my students to actually put their Excel work, move myself out of the way, look, directly into the OneNote page so that I can see their work straight away without having to go out of OneNote, and I could then grade it accordingly or give it some feedback accordingly. So adding Windows documents or Microsoft documents directly into your OneNote works beautifully. So my third tip actually is, this one's going to be a bit more difficult to do because I'm using Screencastify. But Screencastify allows you actually to take GIFs as well, GIF animations. So when you click on the Screencastify button and you start recording, you can actually then save that recording as a GIF. So if it's a very short animation showing somebody how to do something, or even better, asking your students, showing you their learning, they can record it as a GIF and then drop that GIF directly into OneNote or into a Firefly page. So let me, I'm going to stop the video now actually, because I'm going to go make a GIF and show you the next thing. Hello, welcome back. Let me just move myself out of the way. So here I've got the video that I've just recorded in Screencastify. And you can see here that when you export the video, you've got all of these different options, and I'll talk about those in a future 5 in 5. But one of them here is export to GIF. Look, export to GIFs. So if I export whatever I've created as a GIF, then what can I do with that GIF? So if I go to OneNote, for example, you can actually put the GIF directly into OneNote. So if you're in OneNote online, let me go to a place where I can insert the GIF. I'm going to go and get my GIF that I've downloaded. There it is. There's my GIF look, and I can just drag it into OneNote and let go, and it will upload that GIF, and it will actually play as a GIF in OneNote. Let's just wait and see if that's working. There we go. Look. So here I'm explaining in the GIF how to change your settings in it looks like Teams. So students could be actually demonstrating their learning as a GIF and just directly put it into OneNote so that you can actually just see it straight away. And then I don't have my pen with me right now, but I could then use it just to say, yeah, well done, great. Okay, the second thing, I could put it into a Firefly page. So if I create a Firefly page, and let's go test GIF, and then when the page enters here, I can then insert that GIF. So let's go and select the files off the desktop, insert it, and then add the GIF directly into the page. Okay, publish, and you can see it's just a GIF working on its own. All right, I think that's it. Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.